What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I'm going to be purchasing 1,000 shares of this particular dividend paying stock. But hey, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so today is interesting to say the least. I'm actually down today. I actually will have a screen recording going as I'm talking to you guys. Actually, it'll be of my computer. It'll be a screen recording of the computer going. And so I wanted to purchase 1,000 shares of this dividend paying stock. Now, just to kind of share a little bit about me, I used to try to be a day trader or swing trader. Didn't work out too well. I was down up to $60,000, and I decided that I couldn't do that because day trading and swing trading can be tricky. So now I'm doing more a long-term investment of dividend-paying stocks. And so interestingly enough, I just sold some shares of one of the dividend stocks that I owned. I'll make another video talking about that because I was just absolutely tired of being smashed. I didn't do a good job selecting. And selecting your stocks is something that you guys have to do very, very carefully. You definitely have to do your research. Once again, I'm not a pro. I'm not a guru. I'm just an average person. You know, I'm just doing my best. There's obviously better ways to invest that other people that are smarter than I know, but I don't know those ways, and that's okay. So once again, I'm sharing my journey with you guys and my experience. So I'm going to be purchasing another dividend paying stock, and I did a little more research on this one. What I will show you guys is the stock that I'm going to be purchasing. I'll show you guys here is Gladstone Capital. The ticker symbol is GLAD, GLAD. And so right here, what I did was I did a Google search. There's Yahoo search right here, but I did a Google search and I typed in the ticker symbol, GLAD Dividend History, and I ended up clicking on the NASDAQ website here. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. This website here. So I clicked on this site, and when I clicked on it, this came up. And so you can click on the dividend history. And so I'm going to show you guys here, there is a ex-dividend date of April 22nd, 2021. Now, this is important to me because I want to purchase my shares before this date if I expect to get paid this dividend. The cool thing about this particular dividend paying stock is that they pay monthly. I love stocks that pay monthly. So as you can see here, because of the NASDAQ website, you see that it has an ex-dividend date here on the screen of April 22nd. And of course, it has the amount that you're going to get paid. Let's see if I can go all the way across the screen. Let's see. No. Yeah. Okay. And so you guys can see there where the payment is going to be on April 30th, 2021. And that's really, really cool because I'm going to buy it today. Today's the 19th. Let me show you guys at the bottom of the screen here on my calendar on the computer. Today's April 19th. So I'm going to buy it today, and then of course I will receive the payment in my account on the 30th. And because I use Robinhood to do my trading, it will automatically reinvest back into that particular stock. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Robinhood account here, and I'm going to do it on my desktop. So I'm going to search. Well, maybe I don't have to search because it's already part of my list. We'll just scroll down here, and we'll click on GLAD, which is right here. And I should have purchased this earlier. I should have purchased it when it was $10.70 something cents right here, 73 cents, but I didn't because I was driving and I wanted to make a video and share this with you guys. So I'm just going to purchase 1,000 shares right now. So right here it says invest in shares on the right side of the screen. Of course, you can always just buy in dollars, but I'm just going to invest in shares. I'm not going to be too greedy this time around. I'm going to just put 1,000 shares here. And then it's telling you the estimated costs based on the price right now. The market price, $10.76. I'm going to click review order, and I'm just going to click on buy right now. I'm going to do that right here in front of you guys. Okay, so wow, you see that I got played. This is a good lesson actually, because I could have submitted the order. The order type could be like a limit purchase, basically where I'm saying that I'm not willing to spend more than $10.76, or I could have made it $10.73. So there's different types of purchases that you can make as far as how you can decide to purchase the account. So yeah, like I said, I played myself. So I purchased it. My average cost is $10.78. And you see it's already down $10.76. That's okay though. This is a dividend paying stock. And I'm pretty sure once we get the payment that the price of this stock is going to go down a couple of cents, because it's paying like 6 cents, right, per share. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is, and this is a part of the research, right? So I'm pretty confident in getting this particular stock for a couple of reasons, right? As you guys can see here, it has the dividend, the ex-dividend day for the next several payments, the ex-dividend day, as well as the amount that they're going to pay. So you guys can see here that on April 13th, they basically shared the information. This is the declaration date. They shared that they were going to be paying dividends for April, May, and June, and the amount's going to be 0.65 cents. And then of course, on the right hand side of the screen, it shows you when you're going to receive the payment. All right, so I purchased on April 19th, and since I bought 1,000 shares, that means that I'll get $65 for owning 1,000 shares of this particular stock. And of course, I'll share that video with you guys once I get that payment. Another reason why I decided to purchase this particular stock is because their dividend payments, I mean, their history of dividend payment is insane. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down here and kind of show you guys their dividend history here. And I'm scrolling down, and you can see they've been paying 7 cents for the longest time, pretty much before Corona, right? I'm going to scroll down here, keep on scrolling, and see it's going to get, I think, to 2001. Okay, so according to this particular site, as far as their dividend paying history, let's just say they started in 2002, right? But I like that. That's a solid 18, 19 years of dividend payments, right? That's pretty dope. I mean, you can't deny that. This company has been paying dividends for a very long time. Very, very long time. If I had invested way back then, I'd be doing pretty good right now. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, that I did go ahead and make these purchases of 1,000 shares. So right now, you know, it says it's back up to $10.78, which is pretty cool, I guess. Let me see if I can get back to my overall portfolio. I'm new to this whole doing this online on the website aspect. Let me see. Let me just go back and see if it'll allow me to go back. All right, here. There we go. So we're back now, and we're looking at my overall portfolio. So today, you guys can see I am down $2,000. And trust me, I took a beating with this other dividend paying stock. It kind of hurt my feelings to have to sell those shares, but I felt like that was the smartest thing to do. Once again, I'll make another video talking about that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to thumbs up this video. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.